Hello everyone, I am Jemima, currently pursuing my BSc Nursing in SLS College of Nursing. I am going to talk about Business Model Canvas. What is BMC? BMC means Business Model Canvas. Of a BMC is now a company create itself ability product and service for its customers. Zomato India most input delivery was originally launched under the Foodie in 2018. It is started with a simple foundational idea and internet directly from restaurant menus. It currently operates in 23 countries including India and the United States. It is named by Foodie in 2008. It was changed in Zomato in 2010. As of 2019, the service available in 2000 countries and in more than 10,000 cities. The business model is based on providing local restaurants such services and collecting data on food menus, contact and providing relevant information to that customers. The main channels of Zomato are the mobile application and its online website. Zomato runs on a commission business model. It generates most of its revenue from the consumes that is charged the restaurants for every order placed through that app. Zomato encourage people to keep giving reserve by rewarding them with different foodie levels. Zomato is an Indian restaurant aggregator and food delivery state and founded by Dipender Goyal, and Zomato provides information menus and user review of restaurant and also has food delivery options from operated restaurant in select cities. Zomato is also entering into grower delivery and in COVID-19 outbreak, helping people discover great place around them, building amazing experience around dining, enabling restaurant to create amazing experience. The headquarters Zomato was first launched in Haryana, India. Its founder name is Dipen Goyal and was founded in July 2008. Zomato is an online food ordering platform and its official website zomato.com. Now we move to the 9 elements of business model canvas under Zomato. Key partners, key activities, customer segment, value proposition, customer relationship, cost structure, revenue streams, channels and key resources. Key partners. One of the major segment of Zomato is Uber Taxi London partners who launched Zomato in UK within expected time on. Next, key activities. Provide local restaurants and hotels so urge service, collect data and food users contact and provide relevant information to users. And then customer segment. Users why try to find local restaurants for various consumers. Restaurants you contact their names of research their direct evidence. Customers performing home deliver. Database companies, market research company, and then value proposition, one stop shop of dinners and offers a way of restaurant to differentiate themselves, bridges the gap between the consumers and restaurants through efficient technology application which reduce the delivery time. And next one, customer relationship, online service built with contaminated rating mechanism, channels, mobile application and internet. And next, cost structure, online platform, step cost and office management. And revenue streams, advertising, the ads were placed on that website generate the majority of the revenue of the company. Ticket sale, Zomato also Zoil ticket of various events and earns a commissions through that sales. Consulting, owing to the huge database of restaurant users and their preferences, Zomato also provides business consulting and data analysis service to their clients. And last one is key resources, large database of restaurant across city, presence across 7 countries. Thank you for watching my video.